Good morning, children. Welcome to your new class. Myself, Mrs. Lakshmi, your English teacher, class 7, is going to show you your English main book, that is New Images, grade 7. Now, we are going to start our first chapter, that is of magic lamps and genies. So, let us start the chapter of magic lamps and genies. This is an extract adapted from Mark Twain's masterpiece Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. This is a story about two boys. One is the Tom Sawyer and the other Huckleberry Finn. Before starting the chapter, children, I would like to tell you something about the writer of this story. The writer of this story is Mark Twain. He was born in 1835 and died in 1910. He was also known as Samuel Clemens. He was an American writer. He was often referred to as the father of American literature. Why he was called the father of American literature? Because he had contributed a lot to this literature. He was born in Florida, Missouri, USA. During his early years as a writer, he contributed humorous articles. What does humorous means? Funny articles to his older brother's newspaper. A master of satires. What does satire means, children? A satire is a play, film or a novel in which humor or exaggeration is used to criticize something, or you can say vyang. Okay? Some of his famous novels include The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, that is 1876, The Prince and the Pauper, 1881, and Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, 1885. Of Magic Lamps and Genies is an extract taken from Mark Twain's masterpiece. What does masterpiece means? It means unique work. Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. This novel was first published in the year 1885. This novel was first published in 1885, and this is often known as the Great American Novel. That means what? Adventures of Huckleberry Finn is also known as the Great American Novel. It is also said that all modern American literature comes from Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. The novel shows the adventures of Huck Finn and his chum Tom Sawyer. In this novel, this adventure of Huckleberry Finn shows the adventures of Huck Finn and his chum. What does chum means? Tom, a childhood friend, that is Tom Sawyer. Twain was raised in Hannibal, Missouri, which provided him with the setting for his novel. What does raised means? Brought up. The Mississippi River, which flows next to the town, also plays an important role in the book. What does Mississippi River mean? Mississippi River, where it is? It is in United States. And why it is important? Because it is important for trade and travel. So children, let's start the chapter. My friends and I invented a new game. We pretended to be robbers for fun. In this story, Huckleberry Finn is referred to, is the narrator of the story. I is Huckleberry Finn. They had invented a game. And what was the game? They just pretended themselves or acted to be robbers for fun. Okay. We played this game for a month. They all together played this game for a month. And what was the game? We would hop out of the woods and go charging down on the drivers and women in carts who were taking garden stuff to market. What was their game? They used to hide behind the bushes, and whenever they used to see the women and the drivers going in carts to the marketplace to sell their stuff, they would jump out of the bushes, and they would try to attack them. Tom Sawyer called the turnips jewelry. Tom Sawyer, a fast friend of Huckleberry Finn, used to call these turnips. What does turnip means? Turnips means a type of white vegetable that grows in the garden, or you can say shalgam. and corn's gold bricks. Corn means wheat, you can say as corn. Okay. Though we never carried any stuff back with us, we would go to the cave and ponder over what we had done, how brave we were, and how much gold we had collected. They said that they used to never take anything with them, but after doing so, they would go to the cave, and over there they used to talk about all the friends together that how brave they were and they had collected so much gold. But I couldn't find any profit. But it was of no use, it was of no profit. So who all were playing this game? The Huckleberry Finn, Tom Sawyer and his friends. Now, one day Tom sent a boy to run about town with a blazing stick. One day what happened? Tom sent a boy, one of his friend, to run about the town, to just go around the town with a blazing stick. What is blazing stick means? A stick of power, which was the sign for the gang to get together. And this sign, this blazing stick, whenever they went out with the blazing stick, they showed that all the members of the gang had to get together. And then he said he had got secret news by his spies. He said he came back and he said that he got some news through his agent, secret agent, that next day a whole parcel of Spanish merchant, that the very next day a parcel of Spanish merchant and rich Arabs was going to camp in Cave Hollow with 200 elephants. What this thing message they got? They got that some Spanish merchants and rich Arabs were coming over there. We Cave Hollow with 200 and they were coming with 200 elephants, 600 camels and over 1,000 mules, with elephants, camels and mules. And what were they carrying? All loaded with diamonds. And they had only 400 soldiers at guard, and they had very few soldiers with them as guards. That was only 400. So these friends Tom and Huckleberry Finn decided to attack them suddenly from hidden position. We would lie in ambush. What does ambush means? Sudden attack from hidden position, and split and the lot and scoop the things. And they wanted to scoop the things means to pick up quickly. Now children, I'll show you some word meanings of this chapter. See, raiding means a sudden attack on the enemy. Satire means a play, film or a novel in which humor or exaggeration is used to criticize something. Scum means a close friend, adapted, taken from. Masterpiece means unique work. Corn means any plant that is grown from its grain. Wheat, turnip, round white vegetable that grows under the ground. Pretended, to act. Hop, to jump over. Blazing, stick of power. Spies, secret agent. Ambushed, a surprise attack from hidden position. Scoop means pick up. Comedy means professional entertainment that is intended to make an audience laugh. And humor means to express yourself in funny way. That is what children